Nick Rutter for the McKee's 37 Trademark Garage with my good friend and partner, Wayne Carini.
Great to be here with you, Nick. I come down here to Florida just to see what's going on with the product line. You know, Bob McKee developed this product. He's a visionary in the car care industry.
Well, Wayne, as you know, we're a problem-solving company, so we have a solution to any issue that plagues your vehicle, from paint to wheels to glass and everything in between. Well, today, this is our total glass care kit.
You know, in our shop, cleaning the glass is almost just as important as the paint being cleaned.
Yeah, well, with this kit, we really simplify it, starting with our Crystal Vision glass cleaner. You spray and wipe, easy to use. Our Glass Restore, which is like a cleansing lotion. We have a cockpit glass cleaner for the inside windows that tackles like smoke film and other oily residues. And then to tie it all together, we have our glass coating. And this is a ceramic coating that blankets exterior glass in a hydrophobic shell, so water hits it, or snow and ice, comes right off.
We need this to protect the glass.
Well, this kit, we take the guesswork out of it. All the towels and applicators that you need is right here.
And you know, that's so important. You know, the towel has so much to do with the ease of cleaning it, you know. I remember the days when we used to clean windshields with newspapers.
Oh, not anymore.
Not anymore.
For auto, marine, and RV, we've got you covered.